AI financial advisors? Can you trust a bot with your money? Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your financial advisor isn't human. There's no office, no phone calls, no coffee meetings, just an app on your phone, a few taps, a few algorithms, and suddenly your investment portfolio is being managed by artificial intelligence. No emotions, no bias, no sleep, just cold, calculated precision. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's already here. From apps like Wealthfront and Betterment to AI-powered tools from Goldman Sachs and J.P. we're entering a new financial era where machines don't just track our money, they control it. But the question is, can you really trust a bot with your hard-earned money? Today, we're diving deep into the rise of AI financial advisors, how they work, what makes them so powerful, and whether they're truly the future of investing or just another high-tech illusion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we decode the future of money, technology, and financial innovation. If you're passionate about how AI is transforming our financial lives, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because today's topic might just change how you think about wealth management forever. Let's dive in. The birth of the AI advisor. Let's rewind to the early 2000s. Back then, if you wanted financial advice, you went to a human advisor, someone in a suit who'd talk about your goals, analyze your portfolio, and take a commission. Then came robo-advisors, automated platforms that use simple algorithms to allocate your investments based on your risk tolerance. Fast forward to today, and those robo-advisors have evolved into something much smarter. AI-driven wealth managers. Unlike traditional systems that follow preset rules, these new AI platforms use machine learning, predictive analytics, and real-time data to make investing decisions. They don't just react to markets, they anticipate them. They learn from billions of data points, economic reports, news articles, even social sentiment to adjust your portfolio automatically. It's like having a Wall Street analyst living inside your smartphone. How AI financial advisors actually work. So, how does an AI financial advisor really make decisions? Here's the breakdown. Data collection. It starts by gathering your financial profile, your income, expenses, goals, and risk appetite. Market analysis. The AI then scans thousands of data sources from stock prices to macroeconomic indicators to detect patterns and predict trends. Decision modeling. Using machine learning algorithms, it simulates countless what-if scenarios, like what happens if interest rates rise, or how would inflation affect this asset? Portfolio optimization. Based on all this, the system automatically rebalances your investments, buying, selling, or reallocating to maximize long-term returns. Continuous learning. Every trade, every movement, every market event helps the AI get smarter. Unlike humans, AI doesn't panic when markets crash. It doesn't get greedy when stocks soar. It just calculates. That's its greatest strength and maybe its biggest weakness. The benefits. Why people are turning to AI. There's a reason millions of investors are moving toward AI-based financial platforms. 1. Accessibility. Traditional advisors often require a minimum balance of $100,000 or more. AI advisors, you can start with as little as $10. 2. 24/7. Monitoring. The AI never sleeps. It constantly analyzes markets and rebalances portfolios in real time. 3. Low fees. Human advisors typically charge 1% to 2% annually. AI platforms can operate for a fraction of that cost, sometimes below 0.25%. 4. No emotional bias. Humans are emotional. We chase hype, we fear loss. AI doesn't. It follows logic and probability, not panic and greed. 5. Personalized insights. Advanced systems like BlackRock's Aladdin or Morgan Stanley's Next Best Action use AI to create fully customized financial strategies tailored to each client's data. In short, AI is democratizing wealth management. It's giving the kind of financial intelligence once reserved for billionaires to everyday investors. The dark side, can you really trust it? But let's pause for a second. If I can manage your money better than you or your advisor, why do so many people still hesitate to trust it? Because money isn't just numbers. It's personal. It's emotional. It's tied to your goals, fears, and life decisions. And while AI excels at data, it still struggles with context. A human advisor might tell you to hold off on buying stocks because your child's tuition is due next month. And AI, unless trained to understand your emotional priorities, might simply say, statistically, you should stay invested. There's also the transparency problem. Many AI systems operate as black boxes. They make decisions you can't fully see, and if something goes wrong, who's accountable? And let's not forget data privacy. When you give an AI platform access to your accounts, spending habits, and investments, you're handing over a treasure trove of personal information. Can we really be sure it's secure? The industry shift, humans plus machines. The truth is, the future of finance isn't AI versus humans, it's AI with humans. The smartest banks and fintech startups are building hybrid advisory models, combining AI's analytical power with human empathy. AI handles the numbers, humans handle the nuance. For example, Morgan Stanley now equips its financial advisors with AI assistants that generate personalized advice in seconds, freeing up time for human advisors to focus on relationships. This synergy is where the real magic happens, a world where algorithms handle the data and humans handle the dreams. Real-life success stories. Let's look at some real examples. Wealthfront, one of the biggest AI advisory platforms, manages billions in assets with algorithms fine-tuned for tax optimization and portfolio growth. Ellevest, a female-focused AI platform, uses machine learning to build investment strategies around lifestyle goals, not just profit margins. And BlackRock's Aladdin, used by major financial institutions, runs trillions in assets daily, using AI to identify risk and opportunity across global markets. These systems are quietly reshaping Wall Street, making wealth management faster, smarter, and more scalable than ever before. So, what do you think? Would you trust an AI advisor to manage your money? Or do you still prefer the human touch? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching.